Welcome, dear viewers, to the Wanyan Feng Shui channel, where we explore the ancient wisdom that guides us towards harmony and balance in our lives. Today, we delve into a fascinating aspect of Chinese folklore that connects us to the past and enriches our present. The broom. The humble broom, often overlooked in our daily lives, holds a special place in the traditions of ancient China. Imagine a time when the air was filled with whispers of mysticism and the belief in evil spirits lingered in the hearts of many. It was said that evil spirits trembled at the sight of a broom. Legend has it that on the last day before the new year, families would gather to sweep away not just the dust and debris, but also the lingering presence of malevolent spirits. A simple act, yet so profound, a gesture of cleansing both the physical space and the spiritual realm. But there's more to the broom's tale. Travel back to the 7th century, where we find the renowned poet Shui, a poet of wisdom and simplicity, found solace in the rhythmic sweep of the broom. It is said that he swept away his daily worries and troubles, leaving room for the pursuit of higher ideals, wisdom, and a connection to nature. The broom, in Shui hands, became a tool not just for cleaning, but for cleansing the mind and soul. As we explore the traditions that have shaped the path of harmony, let the broom remind us to sweep away the unnecessary worries in our lives, leaving space for the beauty of wisdom and the tranquility of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Stay tuned to the Wanyan Feng Shui channel for more insights into the ancient wisdom that continues to guide us in the present. Until next time, may your homes be swept clean and your hearts be filled with peace.